Today I'm going to try and explain why I believe that dementia reversal is very possible. I want to give hope, and I want to show how I think that's a possibility. So let's start with some basic things. Dementia is a symptom-based diagnosis. That means we only make the diagnosis when someone has got the symptoms related to the thought disorder, the memory disturbances, or the behavioural changes. It's not a neuropathological diagnosis. And that's where the opportunity lies for dementia reversal. Let me explain a bit further. In 1986, one of our most important studies was done, the Nuns study. That's where a group of about 678 nuns contributed their brains to science. Very, very important. They were followed annually for symptoms of dementia, and when they died, their brains were given for a microscopic examination looking at some of the features of dementia. What we found was what we expected. In terms of the grading of neuropathology, which we call the amyloid loading or the barrack staging, 5 and 6 had the most, 1 and 2 had the least, 3 and 4 was somewhere in the middle. 90% of the nuns who had dementia had barrack staging 5 and 6. Makes sense. But we didn't ask the next question. Why did 10% not have dementia? Or even more importantly, below stage 3, 30% had dementia. This suggests that there is not a direct correlation between neuropathology and the symptoms of dementia. That's where I think the opportunity lies. That's where we can make a difference with reversal. I believe that the symptoms of dementia are related to biochemical changes in the brain for which we are predisposed based on the neuropathology. It means therefore that if we can impact on the biochemistry, we can impact on the symptoms. That is the hope. That is where we can change dementia from just a disease that is terminal into a disease that can be reversed. And even more importantly, it means we have the opportunity to prevent it by building in the resilience that the brain needs in order to overcome the neuropathology. As yet, I do not think we can fix the neuropathology, but give us time. If we fix the biochemistry, there's no telling what we could do in the future.